There lived a man called a wise man in a quiet rural village far from the city. Rumor has it that the wise man has learned all the logic of the world and knows everything in any field. One day, a man visited a wise man and asked, "How did you become a wise man?" The wise man answered calmly, "I spent more money on lamp oil than cooking oil, and they called me a wise man." Reading books is similar to a woodcutter checking and grinding axe blade. A woodcutter can cut down a tree quickly at first, but over time it takes more time to cut down a tree. It's because his physical strength is getting worse and his axe blade are getting dull. So sometimes a woodcutter has to rest in the shade and replenish his strength. And he has to grind the axe blade. That way, he can do his job better. Do you want to be a wise man? Then from now on, you should spend more money on lamp oil than cooking oil,